Good morning, cyber traders, and happy Wednesday on May 21st. Good morning, everyone. Good to see you, Michael, Margaret, Gillis. Good to see you, Frederick, everybody on social media. Big day today. Just to let everybody know, it is the Cyber Expo where you're starting at 10 a.m. Look forward to seeing you all there. If you're watching on social media, we will broadcast live on all the social network channels. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like us, friend us, and make sure you get those alerts. Overall, regarding about what happened yesterday and today, I don't know what the hell's going on with this edible gardens, but this thing has been treating us really, really well in the past 2 days. If you look at the chart on the stock, it's been trading roughly around $2.50. We are up literally about 300%. Stock's been on a really big, big push. I guess that's simple news that, when you look at some of the news that these things come out in these companies are like, did it really make it run up that much? But apparently it did. So edibles has been really, really good to us. It was a great afternoon runner. Let me just blow this up over here a little bit bigger so you guys could see it. Was a great morning runner, and it obviously retraced here. But in the afternoon, right around 3 o'clock, we had that really nice push going all the way to close, going right into the after hours. So, what's great about this stock right here is you look at the time, the last 10 minutes of the stock, look at that run. It ran from 320 all the way up to about 380. Huge runner. And then you could see how strong it was going into the after hours. And obviously, look where it is today. So edibles, I mean, I know a lot of you guys have been trading in pre-market. You've been doing pretty well on it. Regarding about long-term chart and see where this thing is at, we're testing some big resistance levels right around here. So this is a big stock split, so disregard that. When I looked at level 4, I saw some big iceberg orders hovering here around 6 and 7. So that's where we're looking at. But EDBL, very, very nice moving stock. Now, for also some of you that been watching that past video I did regarding about United Healthcare, regarding on the bounce. So I got out of U.S. Healthcare. So people, just let everybody know, I sold it, made our money, made about 35 points on it. Chased it. It was at 250. I got out right around 305, 310, somewhere around that price. It went up to 325. You can see a nice move, but you can see where it is today. So listen, it was a great, great run. Is it going to go back up and continue? We'll keep an eye on it. But the problem with this stock, it is expensive. But it was a beautiful $600 stock to drop down to 250 in less than a month, and great move up on that. So if you got on U.S. Healthcare, congratulations. If you didn't get on U.S. Healthcare, listen, hopefully it was something educational to learn from. And whenever we do a post like that again, you know what to look for, because I am a bottom fisher. I love stocks that get destroyed. I don't take things personal. And the great thing too, and like I said, was talking about yesterday in the last 2 days about it, is that if you subscribe to my channels and you read the comments, and once again, always like all the comments that you see, but read the comments and you'll see some of the people of the, I don't, whatever. I don't want to keep saying hatred all the time, but the people that unfortunately are not educated enough to realize what was the real reason of trading U.S. healthcare. Okay. And it had nothing to do about the name. It had to do about bottom fishing. It was about trading. Okay. And that's what you have to always learn and see why it is a 90% failure rate of today's industry. Okay. That's where it really comes down to it. Listen, we did phenomenal with Tesla. We did phenomenal with NVIDIA, whatever it is, Palantir, all of them. They all did really, really well. Regarding, there was a couple of news that did come out. I want you guys to keep an eye on this. All right. But there's big news that came out regarding about President Trump is trying to build a Golden Dome project. You guys hear about that? The Golden Dome? All right. So a couple of people I want you to keep an eye on. The people that are in the contentions of companies to participate is going to be two of them. Okay. Number one, SpaceX. Okay. They're private. I know that they're going public soon. It doesn't really have too much to do with Tesla, but Elon Musk is going to stay as a CEO. But you obviously, you know what? He's going to probably give him a favor. Like it, don't like it. You know what? That's politics, okay? You know what? You take care of your friends, you take care of your family, whatever. So they're ranked number one in contentions. And listen, at the end of the day, you have great technology. Second is going to be Lockheed Martin, we're to keep an eye on. And the third is Palantir. Keep an eye. Third, it says Palantir. It says right here, Palantir is known for their data analyst and artificial intelligence platform. It's partnering with SpaceX and contributing to the Golden Dome commanding and control system. So we know that Palantir, still a big fan of that. And then remember, Archer is also part with it. So keep an eye on Archer and wait for the stock to come back down. I would love to get the stock somewhere around here. But like anything else, we need to keep an eye and see if we have consolidation. Randy, I saw that stock, Nuke, and that is the one that makes the Golden Dome for Israel. So we did really well with that stock. By the way, this is the stock right here. When that whole thing happened, you could see that stock went from $1 all the way to a whopping $80. So another big runner up that we had that did really well. So yes, so Nuke, I would keep a close eye on that too. I had it for a while. It wasn't really going anywhere, but it is, they do have the technology. The problem is I think it's an Israeli company, and they're not inclined to share their technology yet. So that was the issue I think it had with it. But yes, they are the actual they are the ones that build that Golden Dome. They already have it. RTX too, but it wasn't that. It was on the bottom of the list that I saw. RTX. But RTX has been doing phenomenal, a lot better than Lockheed Martin, So once again, all these military stocks, nice little push. What's nice about RTX though, it is breaking all-time highs. So I would put those two stocks on the watch list. But thanks for sharing it, because you just found another stock that could be a good swing trade. Really, really nice push on that stock right there. Very nice little slow mover. Remember, it just started. We're about 20 days into the month. I mean, not bad for a move. Okay. All right. Let's go through a couple of the stocks. We had about buyout that did come in on SGMA. You could see that. Another buyout right here. ASST is doing absolutely wonders for us. So ASST, this is probably the best stock out of them all that's moving. It did really well yesterday. Started around $6.50, went to $8, and she is pushing big. This stock just less than 2 weeks ago was hovering right around 50 cents. What scares me about this stock, it is up a lot. I mean, like a lot. It's probably a category 4. It wasn't that bad before. Let me check and see where the orders are. ASST. Let me see where they are on level 4. I didn't have it up here. All right, so we're testing a big iceberg. Okay, so you can see right here, here's all those big orders out there. Big one was just done here at 1050. You got another 13,000 share at 11. And those are two big orders right there. This one got done. So it's moving in 50-cent intervals. Okay. Kerry did pretty well. Look at that. Kerry got in at 17 out of 67. There you go. Congratulations. All right. Anyway, could it still move when the market opens up? Absolutely. And we're going to find out. So it's on the watch list. This one had a big run up and came back down. I don't know what this is all about, but I'll put this on the B list. GCL. It is up 30%. KDLY, another nice little runner. This stock has been on a really good tear. It's moving up again. Spread is ugly. Okay, so put this on. This looks like probably a category 4, maybe in a 5. So put this on the B list right now. AKYA, cheap little stock, moving, good spread, up 18%, good volume, but it's kind of flat right now. Probably scratch that out. NXTT looks like it has a decent spread, 17%. Stock, we had a really good move. We traded this the other day. Went from 20 cents all the way to $2. She's moving again this morning. So NXTT, another nice, inexpensive small cap stock. I don't know what that's all about. That's a stock split. All right, we're done there. Let's go check over here on the losers. Anything there on the losers? Nope. New York Stock Exchange, anything there? Okay, we're getting a big run up on this stock right here. HYLN. Let's go check out the orders on that one. HYLN. Remember, we have to follow the money, right? Nice push on that. All right, big order was out there. You could see here this morning at $1.20. A lot of green bulls. It just started making a move. This is why we start our meetings at 9 a.m. A little bit of an order out here. Nice little move. Okay. So that one definitely is on the watch list. All these stocks we were trading yesterday, all the quantum stocks were doing phenomenal. Okay. All of them. You could see right here. Let me just blow this up. Those are ETFs. But QBTS, listen, gapped up again this morning, breaking all-time highs. Put the quantum stocks back on the watch list. These have been really good swing trades for us too. All right. Everything else kind of died out right now, so I would be a little concerned and be careful. I'm probably right now in about 30% cash right now. Remember, I was like 99.99 in just every single penny. I actually ran out of money. I was full in, but I did take a lot of money off the table on my swing trades. They're starting to back off a little bit. I want to see how things are going on with them. You can see here, like NVIDIA right now, coming back down. They're testing these big resistance levels. The Tesla trade, you can see it. It's holding right there at that big resistance. So, Palantir came down a little bit. They went up really big. So it's okay. Yes, I was having a call yesterday. I met somebody. I was talking to. I was closing on my boat, and I was talking to the mortgage broker, and was telling me he was having a big issue. He could never make money in the stock market because his big issue is he didn't know how to take profits. Sometimes, losers has been obviously, that's our biggest thing. But he's like, sometimes you just get greedy. I'm like, that's why you got to take the class. So getting back to his problem is some of your problems. Some here. We did really well. We made a lot of money here. It's okay to take some money and buy things cheaper. Okay. You'd be very thankful. I know you love these stocks, some of them, and you want them to go higher, but you can always buy them back. Now, that pretty much does it for the watch list, everyone. I don't think did I miss anything? Anything I missed? I think we got them all. Anyway, this stock is actually moving pretty nicely, though. Look at that, HYLN. All right. So let's get ready for the market open up. Are you selling a book? It's already, well, I sold one of them. I bought a new one. I bought a brand new one. So yeah, that other boat is gone. So I'll actually do a video on it. On my Fausto Home Living. So make sure you subscribe to it. All right, guys. I got a little something funny to show you when I get it. Right now, they're just building it. They're just putting all the electronics on it. All right, let's get ready for the market open up. Guys, listen, 10 a.m. Cyber Expo starts today. All right. There's the link for everyone on social media. If you didn't register, here is the QR code. And there's actually the QR code right there. Take your phone. Scan that QR code right there. Get in the room, and we'll see you there. All right. So you got that. Take your phone, scan that QR code. Like us, friend us. We'll see you there. It's going to be recorded. If you can't be there all day, it's for 2 days. So don't miss out. All right. So and whatever you can't listen to all of them, don't worry about it. We will have it recorded. We will send it out so you all could watch it on our YouTube channel. All right, traders. Let's get ready for the market open up. Good luck. See you in about 15 minutes. All right, everyone.